Hi guys, welcome to Hot Celebrity Leads, a channel where South African celebrity news is served hot and fresh. The controversial Lukompo musician Shebe Shed, also known as Katlego Chauke, shared that he and his long-term partner Kolofelo Chweni are expecting. Shebe confirmed rumors that he and his girlfriend Kolofelo are pregnant, and he also confirmed the due date. The couple recently lost their daughter due to a car accident, so this is good news for them. He appeared before the Polokwane Magistrate Court on Thursday, 27th November 2025. The popular Lukompo artist is facing 9 charges, including 3 counts of attempted murder and 2 counts of assault. In his affidavit, Shebe claims Kolofelo is expecting to give birth on the first week of December. He also shares that he has an 8-year-old daughter who is in grade 2. The daughter stays with her mother in Krugersdorp. The Lukompo artist claims he pays 5,000 rands child maintenance per month. He is requesting bail so he can continue supporting his family. He claims to contribute 50,000 rands or 25,000 rands every month for his unemployed parents. And also he claims to help his family with 18,000 rands per month towards housekeeping. South African conflicted, some rooting for him, hoping he would get bail so he can work this festive season and hopefully getting his charges dropped, while others want to see him behind bars for the crime he had committed, saying that no one is above the law. Anyway, guys, there you have it. That's Shebe's case. Please do comment your thought down below. Do you think that Shebe should be behind bars for the crimes that he committed, or he should be out and taking care of his family and performing for his fans? Do comment your thought down below.